Welcome to the Google Analytics 4 Setup Guide. This tutorial will walk you through the process of setting up Google Analytics 4 for your website or application. Google Analytics 4 is the latest version of Google Analytics. It provides a more comprehensive and accurate view of your website or application data. First, you need to create a Google Analytics 4 property. To do this, sign in to your Google Analytics account and click on the Admin button. Then click on Create Property. Select Google Analytics 4 and follow the prompts to set up your property. Next, you need to set up your data stream. A data stream is where your data is collected from. It can be a website, application, or both. To set up your data stream, click on the Data Stream tab and select the type of data stream you want to set up. Then follow the prompts to complete the setup. After setting up your data stream, you need to add the Google Analytics 4 tag to your website or application. This tag is what collects your data and sends it to Google Analytics. To add the tag, click on the Tag tab and follow the instructions to add the tag to your website or application. Once you have set up your data stream and added the tag, you can start tracking events. Events are actions that users take on your website or application, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. To track events, click on the Events tab and follow the prompts to set up your events. It is also important to set up conversions. Conversions are specific events that you want to track, such as form submissions or purchases. To set up conversions, click on the Conversions tab and follow the prompts to set up your conversions. In addition to setting up events and conversions, it is also important to set up audience and retention reports. These reports provide valuable insights into your users and their behavior. To set up audience and retention reports, click on the Reports tab and follow the prompts to set up your reports. Best practices for setting up Google Analytics 4 include setting up multiple data streams, tracking all relevant events, and setting up conversions and audience and retention reports. It is also important to regularly review your data and make adjustments as needed. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of Google Analytics 4 and gain valuable insights into your website or application data. Remember to always follow Google Analytics terms of service and ensure that you have the necessary permissions to collect and track user data.